close to the ground.
I'm sorry the other video went off, so I had to do two videos. So I'll just give y'all, you'll just have to see it.
And split videos.
Yeah, it'll be fine. It'll just be in the bottom one, because it's going to be big fireworks 1 and then big fireworks 2. If they can even get fireworks.
Yeah, they were.
Oh, I forgot my intro. What's up, guys? Y'all beautiful people. Let's get this party
We're sorry about the
started.
intro. We forgot. It's been a while. So.
Yeah, we haven't been making YouTube videos since they put down the fort.
It's going. Sorry, guys. Introduction is getting a little short.
Yeah. When my maximum thing reaches before, I'm gonna say goodbye. Give me another one.
Give me
DJ Snapchat looking
Give
at
me
the
an
super
L.
money.
Give me an I. Give me an R. Give me an E. Give me a W. O R K S.
I don't even know how to spell fireworks.
That's what I just spelled.
Fireworks. Ow, my freaking elbow.
Oh no no.
They're putting off another one.
Ow.
Oh.
Kaboom.
Oh God. YouTube, it's going by. Putting this on YouTube, baby. What's he doing? What is he doing? Freaking guy up there. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I zoomed in a little bit. Whoopsies.